In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rotate a video in VLC very simply. Let's say you're watching a movie or something and your movie is flipped and you don't want to render it in video editor or something. So go ahead, get VLC. As you can see right here, click on media, click on open file and open your video. After that, you will be able to actually do the following. So let me mute this video first of all. And here in media, here in the tools, effects and filters, make sure that you are in the video effects and make sure that you are in the geometry section. Click enable on rotate. And as you can see, I can rotate my video however I would like. Say it's messed up like this, I can just do like this. And my video will be good to go. If this doesn't work for you, maybe because it's a little bit, hard to exactly put in a value, disable it by clicking disable. Click on transform and choose to rotate by a specific degree. Flip horizontally, flip vertically, flip transpose, or even anti-transpose. If something is wrong, click on transform again and you'll be good to go. You can even create walls as in parts of videos if you have multiple screens, but I will go back right here and disable this one. That's basically it, guys, for this video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.